drink some fucking water. Drink some water. If you haven't gotten up and you haven't drank some water today, drink some water. All right, let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so I put my breakfast pudding into the freezer for about 10 minutes, and then while I wait, I usually boil an egg and eat it with this meal. I'll explain why at the end of this video. So putting this in the freezer for at least 10 minutes is very important so it can be this consistency when you take it out. And then I'll just add some of my favorite toppings, maybe some granola or some fruit or something, and I enjoy it. Now, before I end this video, I do want to acknowledge you all on what I keep in mind when I'm making my recipes for breakfast. I just want to keep track of how much protein that I am taking in the morning. For this recipe, I usually eat it with like an egg or a piece of meat or something to just make sure that you're hitting 16 to 20 grams of protein in the morning right when you wake up, because your body is breaking down protein when you go to sleep. So it's important that you get it in the morning because you wake up protein deficient. When I think of these recipes, I add the peanut butter because the peanut butter has about 7 grams of protein. An egg has another 7 grams of protein. The chia seeds, you can read the labels and it'll tell you how much protein it has per serving. Just make sure that you're hitting 16 to 20 grams of protein. If you all want to see more videos like this where I make good protein rich meals that are quick and easy for the morning, comment down below, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video, y'all, and I'll see you in the next one.